Shagrajitani, and today I am making a paper puppet. So you have to take a rectangle piece and you have to fold it, and the mini part you have to paste the glue and you have to paste it. Next you have to fold like this and like this, like this. Then you have to make the ears like this and you have to color it. Let's paste. I have pasted the ears and I have also made the eyes, and then I've also pasted the eyes. Now let's paste a nose and the mouth. First you have to put like this a straight line. You have to make a T, and I have made and make a U with a T like this. Now paste it. And this is done. Like the same step, I have made some more puppets like this. Like this. I have made to morning. Then today this and this also. And I have also made one more. You can make many like this. I have made this, these, and this. Thank you.